Hi there. I got a SketchBox today. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Whip out my handy dandy knife. They're pretty cool. They always feature some art by some of the people that get these boxes. They have crinkle grass in them. That's always an adventure to get the crinkle grass out without getting it all over the house. First of all, I see a Staedtler Mars Lumograph 12B pencil. Wowzers, that's going to be a nice soft pencil. And then it says clean color dot. And it looks like a marker that just makes clean dots. I'm going to guess this one is gray because it has a gray cap on it. There's the tiny end. The tiny end. And Copic drawing pen. Okay, so ooh, a fountain pen. And a brush, like so. Yeah, nice little synthetic brush. And I'm gonna see if I can get that brush's hat back on. Oh, nice, and another. I call them water brushes. You can put water or ink inside, and then it comes out the brush tip. I'll show you. Like so. See, there's the tip. The tip that has a brush tip on it, and then your liquid goes inside. Oh, this one might have ink in it already. Looks, yeah, it's already got ink in it. And the cap is kind of bluish, so probably so is the ink. We'll test that out later. And graphics fine liner. Usually a box of this size has more than one in it, so let's see if that's true. Oh yeah. We have a 0.2, a 0.4, a 0.8, and a brush. I'll show you the brush tip. Brush tip is usually flexible. Yeah. Brush tip pen has got a flexible tip. And then we'll open up the 0.8. Oh, that's nice and big. And the 0.2. So with these, the larger number is bigger. Now we send a little art sticker. And very often when they send a brush, they also send ink or paint. So today we have 2 inks. Let's see where I can put this box. There. This is a white ink. Winsor Newton ink, white. Like so. Surprising how bright that light is. There you go. And this is a regular size product and a regular size package. And then this ink, very quick drying Sumi ink for manja drawing. Black ink 60. Good size. And then there's always a couple of postcards. One that has art on it and information about the artist who made that art. And then the other one with information about the products in the box. So SketchBox, way cool. If you have any artists on your gift list, that's a very nice gift, a year's subscription to SketchBox. Or you can order them one at a time. And throughout the year they also have special SketchBoxes. They have special items and advanced or deluxe packages. So I just have the regular subscription, and the boxes themselves are a pretty cool shape. I think that, you know, they make fun craft project for a child. But these are adult products. I mean, you know, if you've got a child in your life that's very, very interested in art, SketchBox might be a good gift for them. But these are not kiddie things. These are actual art supplies, and very good ones, high quality ones. So, pretty good deal, SketchBox. Thanks for watching.